Look at that. And her. I'm gonna stand right in the middle.
Okay, I'm gonna get a picture of the sign.
Oh, big. Big man, this big. Look how big. Look. This is $30, guys. $30. Okay, good. Yung mga fruits food siya. Pagod kaayo. First time ba na ako diyan? Malingaw lagi jud ko. Oh. Ano? Guys, di enough. Full na kami diri. Ang mga flowers, nagnindot na kaayo. Wala pa ni siya mabukad jud, pero so nice. Oh, nanay daghang pumpkin, guys. Malingaw jud ko basta full na may diri. Daghan tayong pumpkins. Tanawa ang mga buwag dagko kaayo. Ingit-ingit ka ba? Pila ka ning pumpkins. Sa ko mo parit karon? Sa kuan pa, next week pa ko mapalit. All these flowers, guys. I love all the flowers. So nice. Look at all this. Wow, so pretty. Very
Doing
pretty.
the same thing.
I know, it's so
I'm about to
pretty.
put it on Facebook and blow this thing out of the water.
I love the flowers. Honey, here, take my picture, babe. Can you take my picture with the flowers? I want to stand